Right now, these epic nature documentary videos are going crazy viral across TikTok and YouTube. These cinematic stories of ant wars and insect empires get millions of views because they look like high-budget Hollywood productions. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how you can make them too, step by step, completely from scratch. Open the GPT link I left in the description. It opens right inside ChatGPT. Click on Start Chat. Now type your idea. For this example, type red fire ants. Hit enter. The GPT will start generating a 6-scene survival saga. Each scene comes with a bolded title and a biological description. Look closely at the output. The GPT gives you 6 image prompts. Each one is inside a gray code block with a copy button in the top right corner. This is the magic of the system. See that first code block for the inciting threat? Click the copy button in the corner. That copies the entire prompt to your clipboard. If you want the narration script as well, just scroll to the bottom of the GPT output. Now open Google Flow. You will see a text field. Paste your first prompt right there. Now look for the model selector on the right side. Click on it and choose Nano Banana 2. This is the specific model that handles high contrast, macro textures, and insect chitin the best. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 for vertical shorts or 16:9 for widescreen. Click Generate. While that is rendering, go back to the prompt field. Paste your second prompt from the GPT. Click Generate again. Do this for every single one of the 6 prompts the GPT gave you. Once they are all done, download each image. Click the download button on each one. We need these high-quality frames for the next step. Now go to FlexClip. Click on the Image to Video section. Upload your first image of floodwater. Now look for the model selector. Choose Seedance 2.0 Fast. This model gives you the best cinematic stability for macro movements. In the motion prompt field, type a short description of the camera movement. Type something like slow cinematic zoom in, click Generate and let it render. When that is finished, remove the first image. Upload your second image. Paste a new motion description like gentle camera pan across the living raft. Click Generate again. Repeat this for every single shot until all 6 images are now moving video clips. Download all your clips once they are ready. One more thing before we move on. You can download the reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate an image in Google Flow, upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures the lighting and the color of the ants stay consistent across every single clip, so your story looks like one continuous movie. Now, if you want to skip all that manual work, there is a much faster way to scale this entire process. We put together everything you need inside our school community. The link is in the description. Go to the lesson for this specific ant colony workflow. You will find the exact prompts ready to copy. Now grab those prompts and paste them into our custom Airtable template. The link is right there in the lesson. Click the link and duplicate the template to your own Airtable workspace. You will see a table with a column labeled Idea. Type your species name like weaver ants or army ants in that column. Now hit the automation button at the top of the table. The system runs everything automatically in the background. It generates all the narrative prompts and organizes all your assets in one place, so you do not have to switch between tabs. Now your video needs the right soundtrack. Go to FlexClip. In the search bar, type Cinematic Orchestral Tension. Browse the results and pick a track that sounds like a high-stakes nature documentary. Download the track. Now go to the sound effects section in FlexClip. Search for water rushing and insect skittering. Download 2 or 3 sound effects. These small details make a huge difference in the final quality. For the narration, go back to the voiceover section in FlexClip. Paste your script from the GPT into the text field. Browse the voice library and pick one that sounds grave and intense. A deep cinematic narrator voice works best for this. Click Generate and download the audio file. Now open the main editor in FlexClip. Import all your video clips, your music track, your sound effects, and your voiceover file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the correct order from scene 1 to scene 6. Lay the voiceover track on top. Line it up so the narration matches the action on screen. Drop your music track underneath and lower the volume to about 20% so it does not drown out the voice. Add your sound effects on the transitions. Trim any dead space between the clips. Your video is ready.
The rains do not fall. They invade. Pause beneath the forest floor. The red fire ants feel their kingdom breaking apart. Chambers drown.
And now you need to get it out there. You could upload manually, but if you want to be smart, use a scheduling tool. If you are on a budget, go with Metricool to handle the basics. If you want the absolute best experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once and write your title. Then schedule it across YouTube, TikTok, and Reels, all from one dashboard. You can set up custom reminders for each post. Schedule an entire month of content in one afternoon and let the algorithm work while you sleep. Everything you need from the prompts to the Airtable template is waiting for you in the school community. Link in the description.